Stop wasting time on endless calls. Let EmployeesGPT AI handle scheduling and customer service while you focus on what you do best. Imagine a world where you never miss an appointment. With EmployeesGPT AI, automated scheduling means no more back and forth with customers. They book, you show up, and everyone's happy. Tired of answering the same questions? EmployeesGPT AI-powered customer service agent provide 24/7 support, solving issues while you sleep. Plus, if it's an emergency, the AI can transfer the call to a technician on duty. It will chase down customers you have provided estimates for and answer any questions they may have. What about online reviews? EmployeesGPT AI helps you gather positive feedback from clients and promotes them being posted on Google and Yelp, boosting your reputation without lifting a finger. And let's not forget personalized communication. AI crafts tailored emails and texts, making customers feel valued and understood. So HVAC pros, ready to transform your business with EmployeesGPT AI? Then visit EmployeesGPT.com and sign up for a 14-day trial for only $1. It's time to work smarter, not harder. Don't just keep up, lead the way. And with EmployeesGPT, you can do just that. Embrace EmployeesGPT AI today and watch your business soar.